What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about Apt Aptos coin, which has pumped up over 30% in the last 24 hours, making it just under the $10 mark. As you can see, it is currently trading at $9.75. So where is this crypto heading to? Is it worth investing into? Is it worth selling it if you're on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it? Or should you avoid this crypto at all costs? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video. Yes, there was a lot of hype around it a few days ago when it was, dropping in value like crazy. As soon as it got launched on Binance, as you can see, it is under the new listings column, and yes, it is a new listing on Binance about 3-4-5 days ago approximately. So we're going to be looking at, is it worth investing into it, and looking at its prediction over the long term and short term as well for the short term traders, and looking at both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the CoinMarketCap website, and here we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 311% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.6 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Apt. So yeah, a lot of investors, a lot of sellers. Yeah, it's just been getting a lot of attention recently. So if we go here, they usually have the trading activity, but obviously there's not enough data at the moment because it's only a couple of days old, so they're not really sure on how many people are investing and selling the crypto right now. So in the last hour itself, we can see it has dropped just about 3%, nothing major compared to its pump over the last day, which is 31%, and over the week is an overall 9% up. However, overall it is still down, guys. The only reason for that is we can see it being listed on Coinbase on the 19th of October, which was 4 days ago at 3 a.m. However, it was initially launched at 2 a.m. on Binance. So if I zoom out a little bit, we should be able to see this target here. It was where's the time? Yeah, as you can see at the bottom here, it is 2 a.m. So yes, it did hit the target of $59, nearly hitting $60, and dropped all the way down. So this is what caused its major. A lot of people were talking about it because of the major drop that took place, obviously going from $60 all the way down to, let's have a look here, around the $1 or $2 mark, somewhere around there, which is a major drop in value. So right now it is slowly starting to go back up in value, but will it go back to its initial value of around $50-$60? That's the main question a lot of people have been asking me and looking at its prediction, especially for the short term, guys. Obviously, this is a crypto that is new, that was launched on Binance 4 days ago, so we only got 4 days worth of data, meaning we won't be able to do the long term prediction because there is not enough data or historical data for us to do the long term prediction. So only the short term prediction is available right now on this crypto. But again, if there are any, if you guys do want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to give you guys regular updates on this crypto, or even daily updates, depending on how often you guys want, updates on Apt. So again, just before I go any further, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So why people are buying this? Let's go. ATUSD already said it's time for future short, so on and so on. Again, guys, as I mentioned in my previous video on Apt, I am not expecting this crypto to go far over the short term or even the long run as well. Again, this is based off the current data that we've got. Again, more data, more news, more analysis we can make out of this crypto, the more predictions, long-term predictions we can make. But at the moment, it is what it is. There's not much data, there's nothing we can do about it. But what we can see is the trading volume keeps going up. As you can see, it literally switched to 1.7 billion about a second ago. If you go back in the video, you can see it going to 1.7. right now it's dropped back down to 1.6 billion. Again, I'm expecting, as you can see, 1.7 billion here. I'm expecting the trading volume to go up. Only reason for that is very common. As you know, when a crypto gets a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and is going up in value, people tend to buy it. They tend to go with it, but they don't see the risk of investing into it right now. Guys, over the next few hours, I'm expecting it to slowly and steadily start to drop in value. Again, yes, I know for the last 24 hours, it's been consistently gaining in value at a very slow pace, but guys, over the next 24 to 48 hours, I'm expecting it to take a slow and steady direction in a negative direction. So drop in value, dropping to around the $7 to $8 mark is what I'm predicting as of right now. But again, this may change according to any new updates or any new news that come across, which I will of course, keep you guys updated, on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions. What I want you guys to do, I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around this crypto. A huge amount of people have been saying, it's going to go up to $80, it's going to hit the $100 mark, so on and so on. Guys, it's way too early to judge that at the moment. Again, as I mentioned, there's only 4 days worth of data, so yeah, there's no chance for us to predict if it's going to go to $80 or $100. If it does, that's absolutely crazy. I'm not expecting it to hit that target. All I'm expecting is for it to fluctuate at the current price range. Maybe over the next week or two, it may slowly and steadily start to increase in value, but overall, it's very likely it's going to stay at the current price range. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below what your expectations and your predictions are on APT. What is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit in 2022? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And especially, I'll be reacting to your comments in my next APT update, which should be in the coming days. So we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart here. As you can see, when I zoom out, we literally can't see this because of the major drop, but as soon as we get rid of it, we can zoom in a little bit more and analyze it a little bit further. As you can see, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing at $9.80. Well, it is currently fluctuating around that price target anyway, so it is on target, it's performing like it's meant to, so there's nothing to be complaining about right now. But the only people that will be complaining is those who invested into it when it initially got launched and when it was worth around $50 to $60 mark. They are probably on a major loss at the moment, and they're probably just holding on to it. Yes, there may be some people who have sold it on a loss because they don't want to lose any more money, especially when it dropped all the way down to around $6-7. That would have been a major drop in value. But yeah, what I would do if I did invest into it, I'll probably just hold on to it. That's what I'm doing with most of my cryptos. I'm just holding on to them at the moment. Yes, the market is down, not just APT, but the whole crypto market is down, not just today, but for in 2022 overall, it hasn't been performing too well. So all I'm doing is just holding on to my crypto, and if they do drop more, then I'll be investing more into specific cryptos that I'm into. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on APT. Guys, let me know your expectations and your predictions. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Before you click off the video, guys, I just want to say a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber target by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.